Hey guys, so today I'm gonna shoot my skincare video. I'm gonna share the skincare video with you all. The skincare I do after I come from an event or after I've done my makeup. जब मैंने वो remove करना होता है फिर मैं जो skincare use करती हूँ, I'm gonna share that with you guys. So first of all, what I do is after removing my makeup with the micellar water, what I do is I wash my face using this cleansing facial foam from L'Oreal. This is revitalift milky cleansing foam with glycerin. I love this to wash my face because it removes all of your makeup residues. क्योंकि मुझे सिर्फ जो है उससे तसल्ली नहीं होती कि खाली आप micellar water यूज़ कर लो, उसके बाद आप खाली पानी से मुँह धो लो. No, I wash my face with this face wash. This is L'Oreal का revitalift cleansing foam. इससे properly मैं face wash करती हूँ. After that what I do is I apply clay mask on my face. और ये वाला होता है, which is this one. I love this nowadays. I'm loving it. ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is Freeman's purifying avocado plus oatmeal clay mask. This is really good. And let's go apply this and see the results. First of all, I'm gonna tie my hair. I need to tie them up. And you need to apply this mask on the clear face to cleaning your face properly. This is how it looks. So guys, here I'm back with my face mask on. This is a clay mask and we need to wait for 10 minutes or until it dries off. So guys, here I'm back after washing my face. Now you can see the result yourself. Clay masks claim to clean your pores. They claim to remove the oil and dirt from their face. So that's what they do. उसके बाद what I do is I apply mask hydration mask on my face. So for that I use this aloehydra repair face mask. This is from Miniso. I got this from China वाला Miniso. I'm sorry, लेकिन अब मुझे नहीं पता पाकिस्तान वाले Miniso में ये वाला exact available है या नहीं है, एलोवेरा वाला. But I have an idea कि face mask available है, but exact same, yeah, I don't know. But you can use any face mask you want. I use this. This is aloe hydra repair face mask, and this is from Miniso Japan. So I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna put it on my face and I'm gonna wait for अब ये भी नहीं पता कि how 15 minutes के लिए इसको apply करना होता है. Everything is written in Chinese, so I'm sorry I cannot read for you guys. So yeah, it has a lot of serum in it. Oh my god, mashallah, it's so good. You guys can see it has a lot of serum in it. I'm gonna apply it on my face like this. Oh, it feels so cold and so good. Then I'm gonna pat it on my face, slowly rubbing the aloe vera into my face. Oh gee, Janu, what do you want, honey? Oh yo, you want to pacify? So many people use jade roller for over the mask, but I'm using my fingers. I love using my fingers because that इससे जो है प्रॉपर्ली आपकी, मुझे लगता है कि फिंगर से आप प्रॉपर्ली अपनी स्किन के अंदर ऑब्जर्व करा सकते हो. जेड रोलर्स आर बेस्ट ऑल्सो, बट so now we'll wait for 15 minutes, then I will be back. So guys, after waiting for 15 minutes, I'm back. I look horrible, so I'm gonna take this mask off, and it had a lot of serum in it. Now as I have serum on my face, I'm gonna massage that into my skin until it absorbs. You need to massage the gel or serum into your skin. Guys, the face mask have a serum which absorbs into your skin really easily. You just need to give that some time. So उसके बाद क्या होता है कि जब वो absorb हो जाता है, you don't need to immediately wash your face. आपको जो है वो टाइम देना होता है, ठीक है. आपको फेस वॉश करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती after applying face masks, especially of this type, ठीक है. Now as you guys can see, I have absorbed all the serum into my skin. All of the serum is absorbed into my skin. Guys, one thing and one very important thing which I want to discuss today कि oily skin people always hesitate or avoid applying moisturizer on their faces because वो समझते हैं कि शायद उनका face already oily है, उससे if they moisturize their face उससे ये होगा कि they'll get acne or the breakouts. But no, that's not the thing. असल में होता ही है कि when you don't properly moisturize your face after cleansing, skin आपकी जो oily skin होती है वो खुद oils release करना start कर देती है, जिससे breakouts होते हैं, उससे problem होती है. But if you yourself moisturize your face, थोड़ा सा आप moisturizer लेके आप moisturize खुद कर लेंगे तो फिर skin खुद हाइड्रेट करने के लिए अपने ऑयल्स प्रोड्यूस नहीं करेगी, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. बट वन थिंग दैट यू शुड यूज़ वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र. आप ऑयल बेस्ड मत यूज़ कीजिए. जिनकी ऑयली स्किन है आप वाटर बेस्ड यू शुड यूज़ वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र. सो गाइज नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स माई फेस. अब बैक एज द मास्क आई हैव यूज वॉज हाइड्रेटिंग. तो अभी भी मुझे फील हो रहा है कि यार अभी फ़िलहाल फॉर सम टाइम आई एम नॉट गोना मॉइस्चराइज माई फेस, बट फॉर आई टेल यू गाइज that what I use nowadays to moisturize my face, रात को भी और सुबह भी, I use this cream. This is the real gold face cream with 24K gold flakes. This is by WB by Himani. Guys, I've never used any face cream and stuff and whitening creams and anything क्योंकि मुझे कुछ सूट ही नहीं करता. But this is the only cream I have used and you guys can see the jar is almost empty, just 1 or 2 uses are left, ठीक है. I use this to moisturize my face और ये इतने अच्छे से आपके स्किन में absorb हो जाती है और इतनी स्मूथ रहती है और ऑयली नहीं करती है and it's really worth it. थोड़ी सी expensive, I think it's for 3000 something, but it's good. But for eyes, what I do is sometimes I take a cotton pad and I take coconut oil sometimes, and sometimes most of the time I use the almond oil which is on my table right now. क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी दिन से अब almond oil use कर रही थी, तो आज I'm gonna use the coconut oil. I take a cotton pad and I take a few drops of almond oil on my cotton pad and then I apply it on my under eye area and on my lid area because just to moisturize. because ऐसा है कि आपका ये around the eye जो area होता है that's really dry, sensitive. उसको आपने बगैर कुछ अप्लाई किए नहीं छोड़ना होता. when you do your skin care and stuff, तो आपने उसको ज़रूर moisturize करना होता. after applying drops, what I do is with my ring finger मैं जो है उसको अपनी आराम से पैट कर लेती हूँ, absorb कर देती हूँ with my fingers into my eyes. And for lips, what आजकल I use is this Vaseline lip therapy. This is a very teeny tiny cute. I don't know why my camera does not focus. So it has a very good smell and a very like. ये है कि फ़ौरन से आपके lips को dry, फ़ौरन से dry नहीं होती. It takes some time on your lips because it's thick formula. It's like a petroleum jelly. It's a Vaseline. So very good to moisturize your face. So guys, this was it for today. This was it for my skincare routine, and this is it. These simple things I use for my skincare at night and after removing my makeup. But daily वो cleansing face wash or clay mask after 1 or 2 days is must, or after micellar water. कुछ चीज़ें रोज़ ज़रूरी हैं, कुछ चीज़ें आफ्टर मेकअप ज़रूरी हैं, बट दिस इज़ ऑल आई डू टू कीप माई स्किन क्लीन एंड हेल्दी. Guys, skincare is most important. Skincare is more important than your makeup, so do concentrate on that. ठीक है. So this is it for today. I love you all. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Bye.